Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this video, I will cover how to navigate Shopify Analytics. With each customer, you never see the journey they take to complete a sale. You only know you have a sale by that cash register sound on your phone or when you get an email with details. Your analytics give you insight that you wouldn't otherwise have. You see the journey. You also see where they got stuck and never made it to checkout. Each metric you have available shows you a specific set of information. To find your analytics, we will go to the main dashboard here. We'll click Analytics. That automatically opens up the dashboards for us. By default, you'll see the day's information for your analytics. You can change that date range here. This will give you more information based on the period that you select. You can also set up a custom period, and you can compare to previous dates. From there, you have these little cards that, depending on your Shopify plan, you'll have reports for various ones. You'll see your total sales. You'll see how many store sessions you've had, how many of your customers are returning, what the online store conversion rate is, average order value, total orders, top products by units sold, online store sessions by location, online store sessions by device type, online store sessions by traffic source, sales by traffic source, online store sessions by social source, sales by social source, top landing pages by sessions, sales attributed to marketing, sales by POS location, top refers by sessions, and retail sales by staff at register. Now your bottom two are going to be for POS. If you have the point of sale sales channel, then you will see these. When you come to Shopify Analytics, it gives you a lot of information where you can actually see how your customers are engaging with your store. Now, sales, store sessions, those things are pretty self-explanatory. You have how many sales you made in this time period, which will be second quarter. This one gives you how many sessions that your visitors had during that period. Your returning customer rate is extremely important. It's more important than you would first believe, because it tells you if you are spending too much time on first-time customers versus returning. First-time customers, they're cold audience for you. They usually have found you through a recommendation or maybe a social post. They're going to interact at least 8 or 9 times before they even complete a sale. Your returning customers, however, that's your warm market. They've already had your products. They have already experienced you. They have already went through the first time buyer task. They were viewing, they kept looking, they finally decided to buy. They've already went and set for a return. So they have purchased with you again. Another cool place to look for your analytics is your conversion rate for your online store. You'll see overall what the rate is, But you'll see below here about the conversion funnel. This tells you how many visitors added something to the cart, how many of those sessions reached checkout, and how many sessions converted. This lets you know if maybe you have a high amount of sessions, but no one's adding to the cart. Maybe there will be an issue with a payment or with shipping options. After they've added to the cart, how many actually make it to checkout? With average order value, this gives you how much customers typically spend with your store. This will vary during more times of the year, like during the holiday season, you may receive more orders and your average order value may be higher. You also have your total orders and your sales by social source. You get to see which of your social media sources are actually bringing you sales. That will help you with putting money towards those ads, making sure they're in the right place and they're not somewhere that is low performing. You also get to see who has been referring customers to your store. So that is where you'll find under the top refers by session. So once you start to break down each of these, this is a quick overview. But if you click View Report, this will bring you to the reports section, where it'll give you a more detailed view of how your store has been performing based on the dates, and you can group them. So you're able to really get down and dirty in your analytics to figure out what they viewed, where they're from, where they came from, to help figure out how to get a higher conversion rate for the customers of your store. In the reports section of analytics, you'll see a more broken down, more condensed portion where we have inventory, some custom reports, marketing, finances, customers, behavior, profit margin, retail sales, sales and acquisition, each of which have reports underneath them, so you're able to come in and find what you're looking for extremely easy. So that is Shopify Analytics. If this tutorial was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Shopify.